Alright, I'm sitting back here. You get the Xbox controller. I can I can see it from here, not real well. A little bit bigger of a TV on the wall here would be perfect. I could sit in front of all this stuff. But anyway, it's doing an update. Uh, the HDMI cable socket is super sloppy on this thing. Um, I'm not gonna mess with it though. This thing's just been abused, so um, it's a shame people aren't more careful with their stuff because this could have worked for years more without being trashed. I don't know. Maybe some kids had it, or I don't know. There's some goofy names on it, but anyway, I just used my Weller over here, a really fine tip, and I didn't even have to break out the liquid solder. So, we'll see if it works okay. I'm pretty sure it does. Anyway, so that was a pretty quick turnaround on that. I spent more time looking for my Torx bits than I did anything else. So, anyway, I got it sitting here still kind of opened in pieces. The one thing I think that's probably better about these ones is that they don't have the power supply in them. So the last one that I bought, I think there was a couple of these that they popped up like randomly at different times. But the last one that I bought was $34, and there was some other tag underneath it too. And where it's sitting right here. I always get the ones with all the damn stickers. This one I still got to clean some of the crap out of it. It was really, really, really bad. Really bad. So, I could just donate it back and get my money back. Like, yeah, it works. I fixed it. Resell it now. But I just wish, that people would maybe not donate broken stuff. I am pretty sure the guys in the back tested this fucking thing. I'm pretty sure they knew it didn't work, but maybe not. There's some plastic right there. That's just like one of the tabs for something snapped off. I'm not sure which one it would be. It doesn't really matter. Let's see, it's gonna be. I'm not seeing it. I don't know. Maybe it's off here. I think it was right here. Yeah. It was that one. But usually, you're going to break them. You need to be really careful. At least I break them all the damn time. So anyway, pretty cool for $24, and then like you get 20% off. So I guess that would be like $4.80 off of 24. Where's the price? So $19 and like 50 or 60 cents, something like that. They put all these crazy stickers on here. Is this like, what is this, Dragon Ball Z or something? I don't even know. I'll have fun peeling that off of there. It'll be kind of hard to get it off. Looks like they put something else underneath. Kind of interesting, actually. But if I could get them cheaper than this, I probably could, sell them. This one here, I wouldn't trust it, like, because the port is so worn out. Like, you better set this thing and just don't move it, don't mess with it. Like, it's not trustworthy. But the solution would be to open it up and replace it again and replace it with a new connector. But we'll see. As long as the the solder joints were just broken, it is really hard to tell. I don't know. you know, it could have been just kind of intermittent, but you know, something like the HDMI connectors, I just really don't care for them. And I understand now why the ham radios have DVI connectors, because the DVI connector is way more reliable in multiple ways. Um, so, but they need to come up with something better than HDMI. HDMI is not good. There's too many failures. Just like USBs. The USBs have so many failures. When they had the USB B, or is it A, the square goofy one, that was way better in my opinion. I've never seen one of those fail. Like, but the minis, micros, and USB Cs, and for a while they had on some of the Samsung phones a micro, double micro, like something that you'd see like kind of in a computer. You know, um, those all fail, but the original USBs did not. So it is what it is. Ooh, 44%. So anyway, guys, I'll catch you later. That's a wrap on that.